Hello, welcome to Wikipedia World, and this time we're going to discuss Lesson 6, Reading and Speaking, particularly let's start with vowel sound. Tagalog has 10 simple vowels, 5 long and 5 short, and 4 diphthongs. Before appearing in the area north of Pasig River, Tagalog had 3 vowels qualities. We have A, E, and U. This was later expanded to 5 with introduction of words from northern Philippine languages like Kapampangan and Ilocano, and Spanish words. So we have here now the 5 vowels used particularly in Tagalog language. We have A, E, I, O, U. Let's start with the letter A. Sound as A. A. An open central unrounded vowel, roughly similar to English father. In the middle of the word, a near open central vowel, similar to received pronunciation, English cup. Said, a, 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 as in apple, apple, a. So now, please said, a. Very good, a. Next, we have e, e. An open mid-front unrounded vowel, similar to General American English bed. E, 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 as in elephant, elephant. E, e. So now said e. Very good. E, e. Next we have letter I, sound as E. A closed front unrounded vowel, similar to English machine. E, 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 as in igloo, igloo. E, E. So now said E. Very good. E, E. Next, we have the letter O, sound as O. A close mid-back rounded vowel, similar to General American English soul or Philippine English for T. O, 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 as in octopus, octopus. O, O. Now said O. Very good. O, O, O. Next, we have the letter U, sound as U, U. A close back rounded vowel, similar to English flute. U, U, as in flute, flute. U, U. So now, said U. Very good. U. So now, again, we have the 5 vowel sound. We have A, E, I, O, U. A, E, U, O. And we have here the pronouns as a review. We have A, father, magandang umaga, good morning. E, egg, nene. I, itch, ibig. O, long, totoo. U, food, hukun. So thank you for listening. It's Wikipedia World. Maraming salamat. Paalam.